What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We're going to talk about the rain today, then we're going to talk about this winter storm that's coming. Right now, it is raining down here in Alabama. Arab, Hartselle, Gunnersville, Arab, Boaz. We did just get a report of some sleet down here around this area. Let's move away from the radar check and we're going to check these models out for this weather storm. This is the GFS weather model. Remember, these models is just a model, not a forecast. This is the GFS. GFS saying there's going to be an ice storm for North Alabama. Then on Sunday it's going to switch over to rain. Monday it's going to go back to ice and snow and move out. Let's see what the European model says. This says it's going to be rain, and the only area that's going to get ice is the northwestern corner of Alabama, like I figured. Because nothing happens during wintertime in Alabama. All we get is snow. We don't get any snow. We get tornadoes, rain. That's the regular, typical South stuff. We never get an exciting snow that much anymore. And I don't expect this event to do nothing, so make sure to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll give y'all another update when another update is available.